Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone and carrier support Volte, otherwise changes may have no effect. Once done, backup contacts and note current APN and network settings so you can restore them. Now go straight into Settings, tap Network and Internet, then SIMs or Mobile Network. You should see a Volte or Enhanced Calling option. Don't waste time hunting menus. You search in Settings if needed. This gets you to the exact control you'll switch off in the next step. You'll now turn Volte off directly. Locate the Enhanced 4G LTE or Volte calls toggle and switch it to off. This forces the device to use 3G or 2G for voice. If that option is hidden, open your carrier app or enter the carrier's dialer code. Carriers sometimes lock the setting. Once toggled, reboot the phone so active Volte sessions drop and new calls use legacy voice. Make sure to monitor signal icons to confirm the shift from Volte to standard voice. Finish by making several test calls and sending SMS to verify normal voice routing and quality. Watch for the absence of the Volte icon. If calls fail or data is disrupted, reset network settings or manually re-enter APN details you saved earlier, because incorrect APN can block voice fallback. If the device still registers Volte, contact your carrier to remove provisioning or toggle service at their end. Remember, if something goes wrong, revert settings and reboot before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.